Welcome in Amika Kitchen. I hope you all are well. Today I wanna share my Jersey chicken Karahi with all of you. It will be great in taste, same as like in restaurants. Let's begin. 1 cup of vegetable oil in a wok. Tip oil well. Add 1 kg chicken with bones. Fry it on medium-low flame until chicken changes its color. Keep stirring in between. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste. Now add 1 cup of garlic water in it. Now on low flame, assemble 5 tomatoes cut into halves. Make sure tomatoes are all red. Cover it on low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the cover. Tomatoes will be soft and you can see easily. I can remove the peel. Mix it well on high flame to evaporate the excess water. When oil separates, add 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper. Mix it well. Make sure the flame is medium-low. Now on that point, remove the extra oil. Add ginger in julienne cutting. And green chilies. Now our Jersey chicken Karahi is ready to serve. You can serve it as well in Karahi.